Good morning students. Today we will see 5 marks important questions on differential equations. The first question here is find the general solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus y by x is equal to x square. Now what we have to do is first we have to identify what is p and what is q. So here I can say P is nothing but, look here, coefficient of dy by dx should always be equal to 1. So here dy by dx coefficient is equal to 1. So here P is nothing but 1 by x and Q is nothing but, here I can say x square. So to find the general solution, first we have to find integrating factor. So what is the formula to find integrating factor? So here I can say integrating factor formula is equal to, it is e power integral of p dx, or this I can say e power, what is p? It is nothing but 1 by x dx. 1 by x is nothing but, integral is log x and by default the base is e here. So if base is not mentioned, by default base we have to take as e. Now you have to remember two things. One is a power log x to the base a. If this and this both are same, then this value is equal to, here we can say what, x. This x will be the answer. And one more result is there, m log x is always equal to, this m we can write in power. So this I can say log x to the power m. So we are frequently using these two results in solving the general solution of differential equation. Now you can see here e, here e. According to the result, this value is equal to, here I can say what, x. So this is integrating factor. Next we have to find the general solution. So here I can say general solution is given by y into integrating factor is equal to integral of q into integrating factor dx plus c. Now let us calculate y. What is integrating factor? Integrating factor is x equal to q. Q is nothing but x square and integrating factor is here x dx, or we can say yx is equal to, this is nothing but integral of x cube dx. What is integral of x cube? It is x to the power 4 by 4. So here I can say yx is equal to x to the power 4 divided by 4 plus c. You can leave the answer like this. Otherwise what you can do, this x divide both sides. So finally you will get y is equal to, so x to the power 4 divided by x, you will get x cube divided by 4 plus c by x. So x will go up and this we can write as minus 1. So this is the required general solution of differential equation. So see here, coefficient of dy by dx should always be equal to 1. P is nothing but coefficient of y, that is 1 by x. Q is nothing but x square. The formula to find integrating factor is e power integral of p dx. So e power 1 by x dx. 1 by x integral is log x. If both are same, then answer is always equal to x. Now general solution formula is y into integrating factor is equal to integral of q into integrating factor dx plus c. Now integrating factor is x cube integral is x to the power 4 by 4. You can leave the answer like this, otherwise divide both sides by x. You will get the required result. I hope the solution is clear. To make this more clearer, let us see some more questions on general solution of differential equation. So everything is same here. everything is same, only we have to, okay, only the questions are different. Now see here, the next question is, find the general solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus secant x y is equal to, here I can say what, tan x. Now see here, coefficient of dy by dx is 1, right? And what is coefficient of y here? Coefficient of y is nothing but, here I can say what, secant x. Coefficient of y is secant x. Q is nothing but, here I can say what, tan x. Formula to find integrating factor is e power integral p dx. So p is nothing but, here I can say secant x dx. What is integral of secant x? Integral of secant x is log of, I am not writing mod here, okay, secant x plus tan x. As I told you that by default base is e. So here e, here e. As per this result, this value is the answer, that means x. And what is x here? X is nothing but, here we can say secant x plus tan x. So this is the integrating factor. We have to find the general solution. So y into integrating factor is equal to integral of q into integrating factor dx plus c. What is y? So y integrating factor. Integrating factor is nothing but, it is secant x plus tan x is equal to q. Q is nothing but, here I can say tan x. Integrating factor is nothing but secant x plus tan x, here I can say what, dx. Now solve this. So tan x multiply, so you will get tan x into secant x dx plus tan x into tan x, we can write as tan square x dx. What is integral of tan x secant x? Integral of tan x secant x is nothing but secant x plus. Now we don't have any formula for tan square x integral, but tan square x can be written as integral of secant square x minus 1, here I can say what, dx. So finally we can say answer of this question is y into secant x plus tan x is equal to, so secant x plus, what is integral of secant square x? It is nothing but tan x. What is integral of minus 1 dx? Minus x plus c. So this is the required general solution of differential equation. So same only, coefficient of dy by dx is 1, p is secant x, q is tan x. Integrating factor is e power integral of p dx. So integral of secant x is log of secant x plus tan x. Since base is same, so here integrating factor is secant x plus tan x. General solution is given by this formula. So y into integrating factor is equal to q into integrating factor. So tan x secant x, integral is secant x. Tan square x, we don't have formula, but tan square x we can write as secant square x minus 1. Secant square x integral is tan x, and 1 dx integral is minus x plus c. So this is the required general solution. I hope the solution is somewhat clear. Let us see one more question. Format is same only. The next question is, find the general solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus 3y is equal to e power minus 2x. See here. So coefficient of dy by dx is 1. P is nothing but coefficient of I, which is 3, and Q is nothing but it is right hand side e power minus 2x. Integrating factor is given by e power integral of p dx. Now let us calculate what is p. So it is 3 dx. 3 is constant, we can take outside, and this is nothing but integral of dx. What is integral of dx? It is nothing but x. So integrating factor here is e power, here I can say dx. Now general solution, y into integrating factor is equal to q into integrating factor dx plus c. So y, what is integrating factor? E power 3x is equal to q. Q is nothing but e power minus 2x. Integrating factor is e power 3x. dx will come here. Now this is very simple. This we can write as y into e power 3x is equal to. Now theory of indices, base is same, powers will get added, 3x minus 2x. So you will get e power x dx. Or this we can say y into e power 3x is equal to, what is integral of e power x? It is e power x plus c. So this is the required answer. I hope the solution is clear. So whatever questions we have solved till now, okay, to find general solution, first we have to find integrating factor followed by the general solution. So for this, definitions and methods of integrals must be perfect. The next question is find the general solution of the differential equation cos square x dy by dx plus y equal to tan x. Let us see the solution of this question. Now you can see here, coefficient of dy by dx is cos square x, but what I told you, coefficient of dy by dx should be equal to 1. So cos square x should not be here. So what I can do here is divide both sides by cos square x. So always coefficient of dy by dx should be 1. So divide, so what you will get? You will get dy by dx plus y by cos square x is equal to, here I can say tan x divided by cos square x. Let us write in proper way. This I can say dy by dx plus 1 by cos square x, we can write as secant square x into y is equal to, so tan x I am writing as it is, 1 by cos square x we can write as secant square x. Now dy by dx coefficient is 1, so what is p here? So here I can say, here p is nothing but secant square x and q is nothing but it is tan x into secant square x. Now we have to find integrating factor. So formula to find integrating factor is, it is e power integral of p dx, or I can say e power p. What is p here? P is nothing but secant square x dx. What is integral of secant square x? It is tan x. So this we can write as e power tan x. Right? So integrating factor is given by e power tan x. Now let us calculate the general solution. So formula is this. So y into integrating factor. So what is integrating factor? It is e power tan x is equal to, what is q? Q is nothing but tan x into secant square x. Right? And here I can say it is e power tan x dx. Now how to solve this integral is, tan x is here and we know that differentiation of tan x is secant square x. So what I am doing, I am assuming let tan x is equal to t. Dx means differentiate both sides with respect to x. So what you will get? Secant square x dx is equal to, you will get dt. So here I can say y into e power tan x is equal to, now see here, this secant square x dx we can write as dt. So what you will get? E power t will come from here because tan x is t into tan x is t, and this I can say what? dt. Now how to solve this integral? Can I say integration by parts? So apply integration by parts. So here I can say apply integration by parts. So what you will get? You will get y into e power tan x is equal to, now integration by part formula is what actually? So tell me, so can I say u and t value select? I late L A T E. So this I can say u and this I can say what? V. Now formula to find this is what actually? So can I say formula is what actually? Integral of uv dx is equal to u into integral of v dx minus, here I can say differentiation of u into integral of v dx, and here I can say what? Whole dx. Now here I can say y into e power tan x is equal to, now apply in the formula. So u is t, integral of e power t, I am writing directly, integral of e power t is e power t minus differentiation of u. So integral of t is 1, integral of e power t is e power t, here I can say what? dt. So finally I can say y into e power tan x is equal to, what is t actually? T is nothing but here I can say tan x into e power tan x minus integral of e power t, it is e power t and t is nothing but tan x plus c. If you want, you can leave the answer like this. Otherwise, one more step, e power tan x, divide both sides by e power tan x. So I am writing the answer here. So finally we can say answer is divide both sides by e power tan x. So you will get y is equal to, so e power tan x cancel, you will get here tan x minus e power tan x divided by e power tan x will get cancel. What you will get? You will get 1 plus c divided by e power tan x, which we can write as c into e power minus tan x. So this is the required general solution of the given differential equation. So what we have done here is, first we have to make coefficient of dy by dx to be 1. So divide both sides by cos square x, you will get this step. P is nothing but 1 by cos square x, which is nothing but secant square x, right? And Q is nothing but tan x into secant square x. So integrating factor is e power integral P dx. So e power integral of secant square x is e power tan x. General solution is given by this. Now put tan x equal to t, secant square x dx will become dt. You will get e power t into t. So how to solve this integral is apply integration by parts. So this is the formula to apply integral by parts. So you can see here t, we can replace it by tan x. So you will get this step. So you can leave the answer like this. Otherwise, divide both sides by e power tan x. Finally, you will get y is equal to tan x minus 1 plus c into e power minus tan x. So this is the final answer. So somewhat lengthy, but again the method of solving is same. Now to make this more clear general solution, let us see one more question. The next question is find the general solution of x dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x square into, here I can say what, log x square into log x. Now see here, again same, coefficient of dy by dx should be 1. So divide both sides by, I can say x. So divide. So when you divide both sides by x, you will get what? You will get dy by dx plus 2 by x y is equal to x square by x. So it is x into, here I can say log x. So identify what is p here. So here p is nothing but, here I can say 2 by x, and 2 is nothing but, it is x into log x. Now integrating factor formula is what actually? It is e power integral of p dx. What is p actually? So p is 2 by x dx. Now 2 will come outside, this we can write as e power 2. What is integral of 1 by x? Integral of 1 by x is log x. So I can say 2 log x, and I told you by default this is e. So m log x we can write as log x to the power m. That means this coefficient we can write in power. So what you will get? 2 will come here. So this we can write as e power log x to the base e. Here I can say square. Now you can see this base and this base both are same. So as per this result, answer of this is nothing but, here I can say what? X square. So integrating factor is given by x square. Next, we have to find the general solution. Formula is given by this. Let us put the values. Y into, what is integrating factor? X square equal to q. Q is nothing but x log x into integrating factor is nothing but x square dx. Let us solve this. So y into x square is equal to, what you will get? X cube into log x dx. Again can I say product of two terms? So we have to apply integration by parts. I let L A. Okay, L A. So this is nothing but u and this is nothing but d. Logarithm followed by algebraic. Now here I can say apply integration by parts. So when you apply integration by parts, what is the formula? Integral of u v dx is equal to u into integral of v dx minus, here I can say what? Du by dx into integral of v dx, here I can say what? Dx. Now applying the formula. So here I can say y x square is equal to, now u is log x, integral of v, integral of x cube, it is x to the power 4 by 4 minus differentiation of log x, it is 1 by x, integral of x cube, it is x to the power 4 by 4 dx. Or finally I can say y x square is equal to log x into x to the power 4 by 4 minus, now see here, 1x cancel. What is left? X cube. What is integral of x cube? It is x to the power 4 by 4. 4 into 4, you will get 16 plus c. So this is the required answer. One more step you can add, divide both sides by x square. So divide both sides by x square. So what you will get? Y is equal to, so when you divide both sides by x square, you will get here x square into log x by 4 minus, here you will get x square divided by 16 plus c. So this is the required answer. So again same, since coefficient of dy by dx is x, we have to divide both sides by x. So p is nothing but 2 by x, q is nothing but x log x. So integrating factor is given by e power integral of p dx. So finally you will get x square. General solution is y into x square equal to q into integrating factor. So again product integration, apply integration by parts. So what you will get is, so this is u, this is v. So finally you will get this. If you want, you can take x square common if you want. Otherwise you can leave the answer like this. So I hope the solution is clear.